Hey guys, I got a question for you. Do you know what a recipe is? A recipe is something that you follow to make sure that what you do can be repeated over and over and over again to create the exact same result. Now, getting the exact same result is kind of what we call consistency. Now, in a restaurant business, and when we're serving hundreds of people a day, consistency is our friend. We want to make sure that everything is consistent. So I want to ask you to please use the recipes that you've been given. If it's supposed to be 2 ounces of onions on a cheesesteak, then use 2 ounces. If it's supposed to be a certain amount of cheese in your pimento cheese, use a measuring cup or a scale and measure those things. So, milkshake mix, measure it. Tea, measure it. Not just fill up a pitcher with sugar and say it's pretty close, it's almost full. The exact same recipe every single time. Your po' boy sauce, you should get out a measuring cup, measure your 1 cup, your 8 ounces of John Boy sauce before adding your ranch. And you should do this every single time. Now, those of you watching this video, you might actually be doing it. So your second responsibility is going to be to make sure that the people you're working with are following the recipes to the T. There's no, oh, well, I like it better with extra mayonnaise, or I like it better with extra sugar, I like it with extra tea. I don't like it that way, so I don't put quite as much in it. Not cool. Shouldn't happen. I don't care what you like and don't like. What I care is that there's a recipe. If there's something wrong with the recipe, you can let us know, and we will look into it as to whether or not it should be changed. Do not change recipes on your own, and do not let other people change the recipes. And if they don't listen to you, please let me know. We cannot serve product that is not exactly the way it's supposed to be consistently. Thanks, guys.